Welcome back. So I'm done with my download. So I'll go to my download folder. This is the file that I just downloaded, this Mendeley Reference Manager. So I'm going to right click and run as administrator. So it's for all users. Okay, I'm done with the setup and I can click finish. I can you can also check the box of run Mendeley Reference Manager so that it can open as soon as you click finish. So it's already opening. So it's because I have some of my files already saved. Okay. So you remember that you've created an account with Elsevier. We actually said Mendeley the other time. So you are creating an Elsevier account. So now use that same email to log in. Remember, I told you your school mail is the best. So I'm going to use my school mail and click. And I can even say sign in via institution, but since I've created a mail with them, so that's why I picked the first one. But nevertheless, my institution email Oladapo 305 at stu.ui.edu.ng. So I'll input my password and click on stay sign in. So I just love to stay signed in and click on sign in. Okay, this is the interface for your Elsevier for your Mendeley dashboard in code. So you'll see all these things, all these notes, all references. It's because I've added yours will be blank, but because I've already used my Mendeley one time or the other before, so I have some of my cited materials there. This is by Adekunle down, so you can see the info about it, blended waste, and so on. It wrote the abstract and some other identifiers, the journal, the name of the author. So you're also going to learn how to do this in the next video. See you in the next video.